Hi everyone, welcome to Aptitude Class Guru. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the most awaited recruitment of the government sector area SSC CHSL 2021 recruitment process. In this video, we will cover recruitment process of CHSL 2021 and what are the posts they are offering under this category and what is the pay scales for the corresponding job roles and eligibility criteria and application fee for the applying for this job and exam dates and exam pattern, in detail syllabus of each and every exam and prerequisitions to apply for this job and admission card and results dates and some FAQs frequently asked by some students. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, I would like to give you overview of SSC CHSL 2021 recruitment process. This exam is conducted by Staff Selection Commission. This competitive examination is for recruiting the grade C and grade D employees such as DEOs, data entry operators and postal and sorting assistant and LDCs, lower division clerks. The number of posts are need to update soon. Whenever the notification is given, they will update the total number of posts. And when coming to the exam mode, Tier 1 exam is conducting online, and when coming to the Tier 2, which is a descriptive examination, which will conduct offline. And when coming to the vacancies of this SSC CHSL, the last time on 7th January 2020, they have released their vacancies like 4,893 posts on 7th Jan 2020. That examination is postponed due to COVID-19. When the notification comes out on November 1st week, the post must be greater than 4,893. Why? Because during this period, there may be promotions for several employees in their organization or maybe retirements will be going on. So 4,893 will be increased by the next notification. So on the November 1st week, we expect the number of posts more than 5,000. When coming to the posts and pay scale of the each post, under this recruitment process, these are the several job roles based on your performance in the examination and score and cutoff you have secured in this examination will give you the corresponding job roles by the SSC. When coming to the junior secretary and the lower division clerk, for these both two comes under grade D category. Who are selected for these two categories get the pay scale from 19,900 to 63,200 rupees. If you perform better in the total tiers of the examination, you will, based on your performance, you can be selected for these categories: sorting assistant or postal assistant, DEO or data entry operator grade A. For those 4 category posts, they are offering the salary from 25,500 to 81,100 rupees. When coming to the eligibility criteria, before you filling the SSC CHSL form 2021, the following eligibilities: you must be a nationality of Indian. When coming to the education qualification, higher secondary 10+2 examination equivalent from the state or central recognition institute. Minimum age limit is 18 years and maximum age limit is 27 years, and it will differs for the special age relaxation candidates such as for ST/SC and OBC and physically handicapped or ex-serviceman. For all these candidates, age relaxation will be there. Just go through the official notification, you will get the age relaxation for your corresponding reservation category. For general category, minimum 18 and maximum 27. When coming to the application fee, the candidate have to pay 100 rupees for their application fee. For the ST, SC and PH category and female aspirants, no need to pay any fee. In general category and OBC category have to pay 100 rupees only. And to pay the application fee, you can use either online, credit card, debit card, net banking, through SBI Challan. Also you can pay those 100 rupees to the corresponding credentials given by the SSC CHSL. When coming to the exam dates, just remember that the notification officially will comes in the first week of November. Registration for the application will start from 16th November. The last day for the payment 15th December. So please note down these 2 dates, very important for you. And when coming to the admit card, you can download the admit card in the February 2021. The examination of Tier 1 will be conducted from 12 April to 27 April 2021. Computer based examination. This is online test. Before 2-3 weeks, they will give you the link for the downloading of admit card. When coming to the results, all those things, they need to be announced. So results may be announced after completion of the examination, and after that exam Tier 2 will be conducted on August 2021. The dates were not yet confirmed, and final merit also not yet confirmed. After the official notification, we will get awareness of these 3 categories also. When coming to the exam pattern, there are 3 tiers for this recruitment process. First one is Tier 1, objective multiple choice based examination, and it's online. When coming to the Tier 2, if you qualified or you are selected in a merit list, you will enter into the second tier. If and only if you shortlisted in the Tier 1 only, you will go to the Tier 2 level. Tier 2 is a descriptive paper in Hindi or English. You have to write the essays or letters, whatever it may be. They will provide you pen and paper based on descriptive. If you are shortlisted in Tier 2, you are eligible for Tier 3, which is a computer proficiency test or skill test, which is nothing but a typing test or your typing speed test. So at last, after attempting all the 3 tiers, based on total merit, you are choose for a particular job post by the SSC committee. First we will discuss about Tier 2 and Tier 3 exam pattern. After that we will enter into the Tier 1 exam pattern. When coming to the Tier 2, the mode of the examination is pen and paper mode, which is nothing but it's an offline exam. And descriptive paper in English or Hindi, you have to write essays or letters. Its maximum marks is 100 marks and they will give you 1 hour time. When coming to the Tier 3, computer proficiency skill test, the proficiency in the word processing, spreadsheets, generation of slides and typing test, Tier 3, and there is no marks mentioned and there is no time mentioned. They will test your speed and your accuracy of typing the words. When coming to the exam pattern of SSC HSL Tier 1, it's very crucial. Why? Because if you crack Tier 1 examination or if you are shortlisted in the Tier 1, there is a chance of mostly 50% chances are there to select for the job. Why? Because this is the area they will look after and they will eliminate most of the students in the Tier 1 examination only. So just look at, in Tier 1, there are 4 sections. In the first section, they will test you in the general intelligence, and second one general awareness, third one quantitative aptitude, and fourth one English language skills. Each section consists of 25 questions and each one question is worth of 2 marks. So you will get 25 questions and for 50 marks. So each question is 2 marks. All these 4 sections conducted at a time. So this is the Tier 1, which consists of again 4 sections. 4 sections are general intelligence, which is nothing but reasoning ability, and when coming to the general awareness, you all know guys, general knowledge GK, and quantitative aptitude, basic arithmetic skills needed. And when coming to the English, up to 10th class level, grammar and English knowledge is enough. So total 100 questions and 200 marks is your target. Total time duration for this examination is totally 120 minutes, which is nothing but 2 hours. In 2 hours, you have to complete these 4 sections. When coming to the CHSL 2021 syllabus of the Tier 1, they will test you in general reasoning. I already told you reasoning ability. So these are the categories which covers under the general reasoning. And when coming to the general awareness or general knowledge, these are the categories you have to focus on. These are the total topics comes under the quantitative aptitude for the CHSL examination. And these are the some topics of English comprehension. So just take the screenshot of this entire syllabus, prepare according to it. When coming to the application form, you have to maintain some prerequisition for these application forms, which are nothing but scanned copy of your signature. The size of the signature must be between 1 KB to 12 KB in the format of image JPG, and scanned copy of your photo must be between the size of 4 KB to 20 KB and in the format of JPEG or JPG, it's a image format. You must have a valid email ID which is used for registration purpose, all those things, and you must have a valid identity proof with you. When coming to the download of admit card, they will provide you the link before 2 to 3 weeks of the examination, and you have to reach to the SSC CHSL official site for every 2 to 3 days in order to get your admit card link. There you can enter your details. You can download your admit card before 2 weeks of your examination. And when coming to the results of the CHSL, they are not yet released. Mostly in the month of July or August first week, they will release the results of CHSL conducted in April. So please frequently visit the official site to get the result details. When coming to the FAQs asked by some students are nothing but how much percentage is required in the 12th class for SSC CHSL. There is no percentage bar for this examination. If you just passed the 12th class is enough to apply for this job. And when coming to the online or offline, the exam tier 1 is online and tier 2, tier 3 are offline. And when coming to the age limit is nothing but 18 to 27. For the general category, based on your reservation, it may varies. Please check the official notification for the age relaxation. And when coming to the negative marking for 2 marks, it is 0.5 marks negative marking, which is nothing but for every 1 mark, 1/4 of the mark was minus. So for 2 marks, you will lose minus 1/2 marks. 0.5 marks will be deducted for the wrong answer. Why? Because every correct answer they are giving you 2 marks. That's it guys. That's it for today's video. You can mention your doubts in the below comment box. Thank you. Thank you everyone.